Hello and welcome back. If you're first time joining us, welcome to the community. My name is Hun. My channel is all about making better coffee. I reached out to Wacaco about 6 months ago and I thought about us. Us means Bravo Barista Express owners. And because we can make great coffee at home using even just a built-in grinder that does great job. And I thought maybe a product like Pipamoka, maybe we can make great coffee outside of the house, which means when we are camping, at work. So let's find out today. Once you open it, it comes with a nice cloth carrying case. I already washed this, so it's been all cleaned out. And then it comes with the spoon and brush. This is dosing funnel. And give you this pot, okay? So here's what we're gonna do. So I'm not gonna make coffee here, but I'm going to use my built-in grinder. Then I'm going to prepare the filter baskets. And then we are going to take to my work and we are going to make coffee later this afternoon. And then let's find out how it tastes like and how easy to use. So here's what we're gonna do. So they recommend from Wacaco using like grinder setting that between pour over and French press. But unfortunately, built-in grinder does not go high enough to go French press. So go to highest setting at cursor. Today I'm going to use, this is Good Brothers coffee. This is from Costa Rica. The reason why I like to be precise, next time I know what to change. So right now grinder setting at maximum, so unless you have separate grinder, you have not a whole lot of choices there. Let's see here. So I got 16.6. You know what? Let's be precise. So now we have 16 gram. Simply remove the top. And they give you this nice dosing funnel. I really appreciate that. Fits right in. Hold on. There we go. Actually looks pretty good. I'm just gonna pack them like this. Just clean the side, the wedges with my finger, or you can use the brush as well. So it's whatever easier for you. And then I'm going to just simply close it. Simply close it. So now I'm just gonna put it in like so. Only thing I gotta do is go to work and make us some coffee. It's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. It's perfect time for afternoon coffee. So let's make some coffee. I can't wait to try this. But meantime, I'm gonna start my water here. Actually, you know, it's loud. So let me open this thing up. So this is freshly grounded beans this morning around 8 o'clock this morning, and it's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So it's been a while, but let's see. Wow. Smells really good. So this is Costa Rica coffee from Good Brothers. And so now let's make some coffee here. I'm gonna start my induction stovetop here. Now water is boiling hot. So I'm gonna shut it up here. So I'm planning on using 1 cup line item, the 1 cup line, and then I'm going to time it. I think I like to make the coffee within 2 minutes. So let's do that. I'm gonna put line There I go. And then I'm going to put the pot in. I'm going to start the time. So here's a problem I see. You see it still has water inside, which means my grinder, the grind size is too fine. Okay, that's why we still have inside there. I'm just going to, you know what? Why don't we just take it apart and hopefully let's find out what that tastes like. Make sure I still have hot water in there, so I need to make sure gently remove the bottom. Okay, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put the rest of water back in here. Okay, there we go. Overall, it's a pretty easy process. So, but you know what? Why don't we try anyway? I don't know what to expect this time. So this is single cup setting. Again, the grinder setting is way too fine for Pipamoka. So, cheers. Yeah, it's a little bitter. Definitely bitter taste, which means it's too fine, so it felt like over extracted. Yeah, too bitter. So, since I have the grinder right here, so I'll be right back. I'm gonna change the grinder setting and let's try one more time. So now water is ready to go. So let's try one more time, okay? Hopefully we're gonna get a better result this time. First I'm gonna put the water in first. And then I'm gonna put the capsule inside. And then I'm gonna start my timer again. I'd like to have an entire process within 2 minutes. And by the way, if you guys have a better recipe, please let me know in the comment. So this is so far, so this is not the exact recipe, but I've been trying this recipe for my even French press and pullover, so it's been pretty good success with it. So let's give it a shot. So this time is a lot easier than last time, because again the grinder settings are coarser. I'm just about a minute into it. I think I'm almost done here, so I'm just gonna take a pick. As you can see, there's no water left, which means we extracted properly this time. So I'm just gonna simply move this. Let's try one more time. Cheers. Wow, much better than last one. Last one was really bitter. So this time is a lot more balanced. I can definitely taste the strawberry flavor. So let's see, cherry and strawberry flavor. So definitely I can taste the strawberry. Cherry as well. Yes. Now I have to think about it for a second, but yeah, definitely cherry and strawberry. And also, according to Good Brothers, you can taste some wine, but I don't know. Let's try. Since I don't drink, so I don't know what their wine tastes like, but definitely strawberry and cherry for sure. Anyway, so here's what I learned today. We need a separate grinder if you want to make good Pipamoka coffee. I was hoping the built-in grinder should take care of this, but unfortunately we need a separate grinder if you want to get the best coffee out of Pipamoka. Other than that, I mean, this thing is fantastic. Okay, it's so easy to use on the go. I mean, this is perfect for like work. It'd be perfect. I don't know about camping though. Camping trip, because if you are with someone else, I mean, you want to make more than one cup. So, I mean, if you're camping by yourself, it's okay. But if you want to make 2 or 3 cups, you might pushing it. But anyway, this thing is fantastic. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like it, thumbs up for me. Better yet, subscribe my channel. I have plenty of video like this. And make sure don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. See you guys next time.